I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Quincy Tenda Blue May. Okay, so today we are at Alpsville. Guys, for us to get here it was a struggle, but it was worth it.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys. And we are lost in the Bundus. Korea. This is what we are doing. Trying to be Dora the Explorer.
You are approaching your bus stop. Please check the bus number.
But then we are going to make it. We're gonna make it. We don't even know how we are going to go back to the city. Oh my goodness. Now, look at the bus. It's giving Maguapa.
다시 찍어 요금. 어? 둘이 다시 오라고.
다시 찍으래 저거. 다시 찍으라고.
카드를 대주세요.
네.
감사합니다.
알았어.
카드를 대주세요.
요금이 2,700원이에요. 거기서 여기 오는 건. 아까 1,500원 찍었어.
하차입니다. 하차입니다.
Getting lost. We are getting lost. Oh my goodness. At this point, I don't even know what to think. We're getting lost. Right now we are walking. We are looking for a bus terminal. Hopefully they do have a bus that is going straight to the place. We shall see. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, it's cute. Really cute. We found a bus terminal! Yay! Hopefully we do get crossing fingers. We're tired of getting lost. Now we don't even know how much we're going to pay. That's the tricky part. Doesn't seem real, right? It's so cute. Thinking ako na bantu. And from the flowers. Together fun Hello, Annyeong. You're so pretty. Oh, that's so cute. No, man should love it. Oh my God. What the layer? It's for kids, right? No, even parents. So we have to go up. I'll bet. Yes, I am happy. Don't fall. Not you pushing it. It's even dripping water. It's like a tunnel. My sister. My sister. Ah? Nianzanie kori. Nensad. I see too. No, don't see it. I see.
오래간이잖아.
That's just assuming it was a windy day. Wow, this is nice food. They even have a zip line. Alps view. Okay, what do we hold here?
I think here.
Here, hold.
Yes.
Hope I can lift mine.
Go. Run. Run. Go. Yes. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
Oh, what? Okay, right.
Last. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
20 minutes later.
Let's go.
I can.
You can.
Few minutes later.
Yeah? Sizoxabana. Oh, Pepper Let's see this igloo. And then from there we go home. Oh, it's cold. Ah, Jesus. Oh my. Freezing. It's really cute, but it's freezing cold. What is this now? Is it a dragon? Dragon. This thing falls. And it's dripping. Water is dripping. Is this a swan? The sky is the limit. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, yeah, from like this side too. This thing, it's beautiful like this. I can't think of how is heaven. We are outside. People are busy cooking here. We don't know what they're cooking. Here in the boonies. It's getting late. And the bus is coming in 5:56. Right now it's 15:53. So we still have like 2 hours. A surprise spot. London. It's oh, and it's warm. Taste the fire. We are hungry. We want to get something to eat. It is here. We are having burgers. Burger and cider and drumstick. There are no fries. I wanted fries. But we are here. Okay, so we're taking a bus to another city. Yeah? Hi, how are you? Nice to we're from South Africa. Really? Wow, nice. Yeah, in Chongju. Yes.
What are you doing
gone to is it Upsville? How about you? Do you live here? How do you survive here? How do you cope? This place is now